How to use Google Assistant on Android voice command setup. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can use that. So it was very easy. Our first step we will simply go to settings. So I will simply click on settings in my phone. Once we click here you guys will see search option, Wi-Fi, mobile networks and other things. But for Google Assistant we will simply click on search. Here you guys will simply search for assistant. So I'll simply search for assistant. Once I search for assistant, here you guys can see voice assistant, Wi-Fi assistant, search assistant and voice. Also you guys can see Google. So that means it was Google Assistant. So I will simply click on that. Once we click here you guys can see privacy and safety notifications, Google Assistant, also Gemini. So you guys will simply click on Google Assistant. Once we click here you guys can see voice make, language, lock screen, personal. Also you guys can see you and accessibility and other things. So for enabling you guys will simply click on accessibility. Once we click here you guys will simply wait for some seconds. Now here you guys can see mic open notification, mic close notification. So you guys will simply turn on that if it was turned off. Now click on back button. Once we click here you guys will see personal results. So simply click on that. Once we click on that, here you guys can see your phone. Also you guys can see personal results, lock screen, personal results, personal suggestion on lock screen, one-handed phones. So simply turn all that, and once you turn all that, after that you guys will simply click on add connection. So I'll simply click on add connections. Now here you guys can add person to that. After that click on back. Now we will simply back again. Now here you guys can see voice assistant. So simply click here. Once we click here you guys can see power menu, voice assistants. Also you guys can see Google. So simply select on. Once you click on that, that's it. Your Google Assistants will be turned on. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.